Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
It doesn't feel much like fall right now with a 76-degree air temperature and a dew point coming in the low 70s. Feels kind of sticky. That's about to change. When that southeast wind, right now east-southeast at about 9, switches more to the northwest, you'll know a front has moved through and changes are on the way. 73 Wauchula, 74 Arcadia, 75 in Myakka. Parrish comes in at 74 in Bradenton. Longboat Key at 77. We have 76 degrees in Venice. Inglewood, Northport comes in at 74. Across the region, rain showers are populating the area from really the Florida Keys all the way up to Canada, really, if you'd spread this map outwards a little bit. But you'd notice that most of the showers are kind of in the process of falling apart as they get closer to shore here. The tendency is for them to decay. That will be the case today, but by afternoon, with a little daytime heating and this line of showers moving closer to us, we have about an 80% chance of seeing some of the storminess around. Not much in the way of a thunderstorm risk today, but an isolated thunderstorm not out of the question. Mostly just a little bit of rain showers, some moderate rain at times possible. Total rainfall amounts not going to be all that great. So there's our front, the one we've been talking about. Here's the backup cold front behind it. The two of them together will bring the push necessary to draw down the cool air. First, some Pacific air will move through here, and that'll kind of cool us down about 5 degrees by tomorrow. The front actually comes through tomorrow morning. And then a modified area of Canadian air will sink southward, and that will reinforce the cooler air and give us that blast necessary to finally bring that cooler air our way. That'll happen on Wednesday, and you'll certainly notice big differences on Wednesday. For today, kind of cloudy with a little bit of a rain mixed, a breezy wind out of the southeast, shifting tomorrow, and then cooler by that midweek. You'll notice that in the extended range forecast. Showers kind of move through today. Tomorrow it starts to clear out. Second half of the day should be pretty nice. And then the front itself, considered by these little bit of clouds that you see out in the Gulf on Wednesday, actually the second front moves through and brings us the cooler air. Total amounts of rain, you know, not going to be all that great. Total amount perhaps here locally in the vicinity of a ½ an inch to an inch. Total amounts. Southeast wind breezy, and the forecast, check it out. A couple of days of temperatures in the 80s, low 80s, and then we move into the 70s for Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe even Friday with nighttime lows in the 50s. Ray?